for the lulz. Wait, we can make this goose cam bigger. All right. Make this goose cam bigger. All right, Sloane.
All right.
Okay. Here we go.
Let's start with
This is not sponsored, by the way, despite the prominent Wink Beds logo. So this is what the poor UPS man had to bring up.
And what did he say?
He said, had to get the heaviest one, did you?
Yeah.
So, and indeed, that's not a thing. Like, I'm not going to lift this out of this box. So, we have two options. One is to just tip this over and drag it out, and the other one is to cut the box around it or rip the box.
Goose is like, you wouldn't rip that gorgeous box, would you?
You wouldn't rip that. Let's tilt the box. Goose is a little panicked.
Oops, all Goose panic.
Is Oops all panicked in here?
I don't know. Oops, where you at?
Yeah, Oops, where you at? It's, yeah, cutting the box is the Lord logical choice, but this is funnier. There we go. I mean, part of the problem is just now I'm going to pull the box off the other side.
I'm enjoying this.
There we go.
I'm enjoying this.
There we go. Big brain food. Oh, that's broken. What's broken, you might ask? I don't even know. Goose, I got a box for you.
Goose, you scared, bud?
Goose, the big box. I gotta move that box though.
It's going well, folks.
I think this is a box cutter, which is like, thanks for including the box cutter.
Yeah.
Sure.
You wish you knew that 30 seconds ago.
Here we go. All right. Setting up your wink bed is simple and easy. 1. Unpack your wink bed in the room you plan to sleep on. Lay your wink bed on its side.
Already messed that up.
Find the end of the outer plastic wrap and cut with it.
I'm dead.
Long
man, angry Scotsman.
Is he playing it? Oh, hang on. Hang on. I think is that a long man? Yeah, it is. Hang on. All right, here.
Wait, I was getting some good Goose content.
Yeah, it's good. Here. Hang on. We'll do some good Goose content. Here we go.
It's cute.
It is a cute. Oh. All right, here we go. One sec. Here we go.
Long man.
No, don't be doing that. No, sit down. Sit down. You're scaring the goose. You're scaring the goose.
I scared the goose. Okay. All right. So there we go. I had to make sure. I had to make it.
So,
Warning: it will be hard to move. Okay, so I should unpack this in my bedroom then. Okay.
for sure.
All right. So, sorry, I thought that we should unfurl it here and then do it, but no, that does make logical sense to me that we would wish to transport that to the bedroom and unfurl. Normally I'm used to unfurling something else in the bedroom, but today it will be a mattress. Today
You nailed it.
Today it will be a mattress. Okay. Oh, a goose. Pivot it up the stairs. Luckily, it's not going up the stairs, so our bedroom is not upstairs. Luckily.
Pivot.
So I will have to bring the other mattress out here.
I think that's fun.
Is it funny?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can do that then.
Go crazy.
Go crazy. All right.
I'll just
Are you going to entertain them?
Move this camera here, And I'm gonna talk to the people while I have this goose in my lap.
Okay, there we go.
Are you ready to see this man?
Gotta bring out the old mattress.
Don't break my jewelry thing or my makeup thing.
I'll see what I can do.
He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it. He is going to break it. You can't see this now, but I have a large goose in my lap. So what's going on, everybody? How are we doing? I like having this. Oh no, I broke it. No, we're good. Yeah, he's gonna break the makeup thing for sure. Because he's gonna bonk. He's gonna bonk? Sorry, I'm very hungover. We had palinka. Highly don't recommend. Yes, he's gonna bonk. And I've come to terms with that. Hopefully everything will be oh shit, it's coming for me. The mattress just rolled toward me to try to kill me. Oh no. Well, there's a goose in my armpit. What's happening? Why is it supposed reckless, dangerous stream? No, goose, don't run. Uh-oh. Look at him in the background. So scary. Goose is scared. Goose, look at your daddy. He's crazy. He's a big baby goose.
Oh yeah.
Did we find a Tinky Winky costume for your wedding yet? Oh my god, add to cart. Add to cart. Babe, can you put a Tinky Winky costume in the... Oh. How do I get goose cam up?
Press, you see that little eyeball next to Epoch Cam on there? Click the eyeball.
Oh, word.
And now Goose Cam is up.
Oh, okay.
And you can point Goose Cam.
Okay. Look at me knowing stuff.
Ow.
Did you bonk?
Oh.
See where this came for me? It came for me. Did you bonk? I said. Did you bonk though? Goose? Goose, look at. Goose, you like a new mattress? Are you excited? Are you gonna snuggle?
Here's what we do with this.
What do you do? Look at this thing. Look at this thing. I wonder who's responsible for the red wine stain. Fuck you. You know it's me. Yeah, we do be spilling wine.
No, that's just my bloody jism
Ew.
stain.
Why would you say that? You gotta get a goose cam for your cat. Oh, I keep showing the cactus balloon because I have poor aim on this thing. Where does he think he's going with this? Like, where is he going with this? Oh, thank you. I have no makeup on and I'm hungover and I heard him playing music, so I know this VOD will get taken down anyway. So I'm not worried about it. Look at him just wrecking my gorgeous decor. Bonking my candles. Yeah, these cactuses. This is the most hot mess stream ever.
Yeah, it's so hot mess that it's in 2 streams.
No. He's building a fort. I want in. You are welcome to join the fort. Oh,
This even says here, once your wink bed is unfurled,
ew.
cut open the inner plastic wrap. Jump on and get ready for the best sleep of your life. So this thing is to cut the plastic wrap.
Are you gonna do that here?
This has to go on the bed before I unfurl it, or else I'm gonna have a bad time.
Well, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me with a good time.
just have to do what I did with that one, but in reverse, like dragging it in there.
Should I bring the goose cam to you and watch you unfurl?
We can. We won't have audio. We could.
Do y'all want in on this?
Gonna go unfurl something in the bedroom.
Oh, ew. Well, I gotta follow him. Hold on. Let me make this cam big. Don't unfurl until I get in there. You didn't hear him bonk, did you? BRB.
Premium content. Content. You guys saw that? You saw my attempt at a long, long man? Oh, yeah, we'll put the goose cam back on. Yeah. Oh, there's a goose. Look at that goose. It's a goose in a stare. Oh, buddy. Oh, a buddy.
It's a cute.
It is a cute. He's so cute.
Okay, okay. I need to read these comments.